Right now, wherever you're sitting, you feel completely still. You are not. You're spinning with the Earth at 1,000 miles an hour. You're racing around the sun at 67,000. And our whole solar system is tearing through the galaxy at 500,000 miles an hour. You have never, for 1 second of your life, been still. So tonight, let's use that motion. Let's leave Earth behind and travel outward, all the way to the edge of everything we can see. I promise you, it gets stranger than you think. Our first stop is the star that owns this whole neighborhood. The sun is so enormous that 1.3 million Earths would fit inside it. It makes up 99% of all the mass in the solar system. Every planet, every moon, is just leftover crumbs. And here's the strange part. The sunlight warming your skin right now left the sun 8 minutes ago. You never see the sun as it is, only as it was. Drift a little closer to the sun, and you reach Earth's twin, gone horribly wrong. Venus is almost the exact same size as our planet, but it's the hottest world in the entire solar system. For 165 degrees, hot enough to melt lead. It rains sulfuric acid, and it spins so slowly that a single day on Venus lasts longer than its whole year. It's a warning of what a world can become. Now back out, past Earth, to the king of the planets. Jupiter is heavier than every other planet combined. A failed star that never quite caught fire. That eye you can see is a single storm, bigger than our entire planet, that has been raging for over 300 years. And its gravity acts like a giant shield, catching comets that might otherwise have hit us. This giant has quietly been protecting your life the whole time. Now we leave the planets behind, and space becomes almost unimaginably empty. Our fastest spacecraft, Voyager, has been flying for nearly 50 years. It would still take about 70,000 years to reach the nearest star. Even light, the fastest thing that exists, takes over 4 years to cross that gap. Space isn't mostly empty. Space is empty, with the occasional miracle floating in it. Out here in the dark, we find the corpses of giant stars. A neutron star is an entire sun, crushed down into a ball the size of a city. It is so unbelievably dense that a single teaspoon of it would weigh 1 billion tons. And when two of them collide, the blast forges gold. Real gold. The gold that people wear was born in the death of 2 stars. And then, the strangest objects in all of existence. A black hole's gravity is so extreme that not even light can escape it. Fall in, and time itself slows down. To someone watching, you would freeze at the edge forever. The largest one we've ever found, TON 618, is 66 billion times the mass of our sun. It isn't a thing floating in space. It's a hole in space where the rules simply stop. Now pull all the way back. Our sun is just one of 100 billion stars in the Milky Way. And the Milky Way is just one of 2 trillion galaxies. When you look up at the night sky, you are not seeing the present. You're seeing light that left those stars thousands, even millions of years ago. Some of them have already died. The night sky is a photograph of the past. So here is where our journey ends. Right back where it began. With you. Every atom in your body, the iron in your blood, the calcium in your bones, was forged inside a dying star, billions of years before you were born. You are not separate from any of this. You are the universe itself, briefly awake, looking back at itself. And the odds of you being here to see it are so small, they may as well be 0. But here you are. If this made you feel small in the best possible way, tell me the fact that got you. I read every single comment. Thank you for traveling with me.